Hi guys, so today is Friday, July 31st. So today is the last trading day of the week, but also the last trading day of the month. So here we have a month that go mostly moving sideways. So starting of the month, it is here that go just like going up, but it fails to increase further above the 4200. Then but it also struggled to break below the previous month low of 3942. So my thesis of gold is still the same, that I'm bullish on gold right now, because as you can see that in the monthly chart, we are in the multi-year bullish trend, and gold right now is just like a pullback to the previous area at around 3942 or 3900. So this is the weekly chart, and you can see that gold is at a historic accumulation zone that many hedge fund or central bank would pay attention to. So my thesis is that gold is still, I'm still bullish on gold. And if we look at the 1980, we have the very similar instant that we have a parabolic move for gold like this, and then going down, and then we have the sideways, and then moving up like this. So even if coming down like this, back to the previous low, is still got a very strong buying pressure to push it up from 457 to 550. So essentially 20%. So my thesis for gold is still the same. For gold to get back to some higher level. So what is my thesis? If it is going according to the structure previously, that I would expect that gold would go up to around 4900 if it were to break the 4380 level. So that's my thesis for gold for the bullish structure. But what if we have gold coming down? So my thesis will be invalidated if gold close below the previous low of the month at 3950 and unable to moving back to close up above this level. So if it stay there close below the 3950 and stay there for several days, that I will change my mind and pivot. So that's for gold, and we're going to move on to Bitcoin. So for Bitcoin, as stated in the previous session, that I'm slightly negative for Bitcoin, and indeed today Bitcoin has been seeing some strong selling pressure today, as it failed to break above this 67K. So we are watching if it can break below the 62K level, and then the 57K 800 is at risk. And I would expect that the August is not a very strong month for Bitcoin because of the previous election year in 2022. We see that August is a red month for gold, for Bitcoin. So we see that here, August 2022, Bitcoin is down 15%. And back in 2018, back in August, Bitcoin down 8%, more than 8%. So August is not a good month for Bitcoin. So that's it for gold and Bitcoin. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next session on Monday. Bye.